stop guessing on room 68 and prove you're not a dum-dum. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to follow the light pattern on the floor, which is a total fake-out designed to trigger a hidden trapdoor that sends you back to the start. Before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic of the sound sync, or you will just get stuck again. Here at Rexish, we know you've been grinding through these levels, and you need a solution that works right now. So we're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. This puzzle is designed to trick your brain with a series of loud buzzing noises. But the secret trick that other creators missed is that the exit only unlocks when you're standing perfectly still on the white tile, while your back is turned to the door. You need to ignore the colorful buttons in the center, walk to the far right corner, and face the wall for exactly 3 seconds to trigger the mechanical click that opens the way forward. This method clears the detection gate and tells the game engine that you solved the riddle instantly without any technical headaches. This is the fastest way to clear the room and makes your progress toward the final stages feel snappy and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these Roblox puzzles so you can stay ahead of the game and stress-free. If you want the next level solution or the answer to room 69, just leave a comment below.